Hi YouTube, this is Anthony Lyons with AL Designs, all finished with the 2015 Lexus IS 250. This is just a quick recap of everything that was done. Again, inside is not much to see. Everything was integrated with the stock radio. LC7i by Audio Control was used to capture all the signal, all the goodies from the factory radio. Tweeters were put in the dash, 6.5s in the doors. Came out real nice. In the trunk, we have the 10-inch Diamond Audio subwoofer in the back, black carpet to match. Got the stock carpet in there for the Lexus logo. And then we also have some lighting, the LED that was the surprise for the client, the customer. You got red, you got green, you got blue, you got white, and of course you got all kinds of disco and smooth and fade, all the goodies with the LED lights. This is a wrap on the Lexus 250, IS 250. Anyone in the Great Northwest, please like and subscribe. Holla at me, Anthony Lyons of AL Designs. On to the next vehicle. Have a good evening. Stay tuned.